Okay, now I'm going to perform a tattoo on you, and therefore I printed out the instruction of the post-procedure care for you, like I explained it to you before. It contains all the things that you have to do afterwards. How do you treat the tattoo, stuff you should not do after you have a fresh tattoo and anything. And it also contains the part that you are mature at the right age to get a tattoo. I proved that before. You showed me your ID and anything. And it also says that you are responsible for the aftercare of the tattoo, because I going to explain you anything in advance before. I explained you anything about the closed hygienic cycle, about the stuff that I'm using, how I sterilize and clean all the material which are not disposable or anything. You can also see the printouts of the validation of the sterilizer, which shows you that it's still valid and it still works and it's a function, and that you did the tattoo on your own choice and you choose the spot on your own. And it also says that if you are not taking care about the post-procedure and anything, you are responsible for any kind of problems and stuff that could occur. Therefore, I please you to write your name right here, as well as your birth date. Okay, thank you. And now I'm going to make a photocopy of this one, because this one is going to be collected, and you get a copy of it with all the post-procedure caring instructions for you to take in with you at home. And in any case you are not sure about the treatment or anything, just give us a call and we are about to help you in any case. Okay, we are about to start the tattoo procedure now, therefore I did the routine hand washing again, putting the gloves and the necessary PPE on. And on the next step I'm going to introduce you to my tattoo workplace. Okay, now we are about to start the tattoo procedure. I washed my hand before, have a new pair of gloves like you saw before. Okay, these one are the sterilized needles I'm going to use on you. They're sterilized, they're still packed, they're still not expired on the date and anything, like I explained you before. I got a razor to get your hairs away from your arm, to shave your hairs away from your arm. These are the ink caps, which are later going to be filled with the tattoo ink. I have Vaseline and a spatula. The Vaseline is for the skin treatment. As you can see, I have foil cover all over the things I'm going to touch afterwards to prevent cross-contamination. As well, the whole surface is covered to make sure that the risk of cross-contamination is minimized. And okay, so what else? You can see the trash right here, everything which I'm going to use later on. It's going straight into the trash, all the disposal stuff, and this is it. Let's start. Okay, we're about to start the tattoo performance now, and therefore I'm going to explain you a few things. You have read the written consent before you sign it before. It almost says anything in there, but I'm going to explain you how we're going to start now. So you want to get this little key tattoo. You choose this spot over there where we're going to prepare it. And the next thing we're going to do is I have a suitable skin cleaning agent here, which I'm going to use and to disinfect your skin before we go in tattoo. Afterwards I'm going to apply the stencil on you, and then we can start with the tattooing procedure. Okay, right after we have done your imaginary tattoo, I'm going to explain you how I take aftercare of all that stuff. Right there, you can see the needle and the tube. The needle, which usually if it would used, it would be very dirty and anything with blood and body fluids. This needle, it's going to be discarded in a suitable container. Right there, it has a closable lid and anything. It goes in right here. And the used tube would go into the holding solution box, which is right here. It contains an holding solution for instrument cleaning and anything. And it goes in here for further cleaning purposes. Okay, after we took care about the used material, I washed my hand again and put on a new pair of gloves. And now we're about to wrap your fresh tattoo up, so then you are ready to leave and anything. So therefore, that's your new tattoo. I put you a thin layer of Vaseline on it. Just leave it like that for at least 12 hours. I put you, like I told you before, the foil cover on it. It have to be for at least 12 hours. Just make sure that you take care of it. And everything else what you have to do afterwards you can read as well in the written instruction which you have. And if you have any questions as well, I'm going to explain everything for you. Thank you very much.